please don't support me. Don't support me, and I don't want anybody to support me on this.
Kionereria ati mucemanio wa minister wa ugitiri wa thiini Fred Matiangi na kamiti ya bunge ire irathuthuria cukari mũru gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ uma ũrĩrĩmbũke kĩonekire o kĩambĩrĩria-inĩ gĩa gĩikaro kĩu.
I won't allow friends of the committee.
Chairman, proceed.
I won't. That one I won't allow.
Matiangi auma na kahinda karitũ gũthathaũra mĩario yake ya hau kabere ati kwĩna cukari wĩna thumu muthemba wa Mercury gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ.
And the list is actually long. It is not just mercury and lead and copper. They mentioned some other metals here and other forms of contamination in these goods. And I asked the commanders and the chiefs who were there, so what do you want us to do after this meeting? They said, let us give a caution to the country and caution the country that some of the foods that we are consuming could be having these harmful chemicals and harmful substances.
No agitetera, Matiangi augite mĩario yo yari ya gũtara mũingĩ ũkorwo wĩcemba na ũmenyerere cukari hamwe na indo ingĩ iria marahuthira tondu cia gukorwo citakinyanĩirie ikĩro.
But it's also possible that many of the other commodities we are consuming have got that kind of problem. So yes, I said that. It was a cautionary statement.
Matiangi augite cukari uria uri matuka-ini kwa ihinda riri ni ukinyanĩirie ikĩro, no cukari uria ukoretwo kihithukirwo uigitwo thito-ini citiganite niguo wina thina, no urathie na mbere guthuthurio.
Mr. Chairman, any sugar that has been released that is in the market, it has been released by KEBS, it has been released by KRA or SCA, has no problem. The sugar that is held, I can't vouch for it because the tests are continuing.
Kahinda-inĩ kau Matiangi augite to cukari wa mathara unyitĩtwo ati tondu ona maguta ma kũruga matakinyanĩirie ikĩro, fertilizer, juice, tomato sauce hamwe na indo ingĩ nĩ cinyitĩtwo na nĩ cirathuthurio. Maina wa Wairegi, Inooro TV.